back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this epic Mercedes C63 AMG in the workshop for a super popular upgrade to this platform. So of course Mercedes gave the C63s the absolutely legendary 6.2 litre V8, makes bunches of power, bunches of torque, but then it's all sent through an open differential and it really lets the car down. So it means that you can't do big stinky burnouts, track days aren't the most fun because you don't always have the grip that you want, and just in general it lets the car down dynamically that little bit. So this customer actually already has an LSD in this vehicle, but he's not overly happy with it. It's been in there for a while and it might have started to wear down and just overall not perform exactly how he wants it to. The rear end still feels quite floaty and not exactly where he wants it to be, so he's brought it to us today to install a Wavetrac. Now of course later in the video we will get into just why this is such a good upgrade for these vehicles, and we'll run you through the process of stripping the differential down and then rebuilding it with the Wavetrac. So without any further ado, let's get the car into the workshop and start getting this upgrade underway. Okay, now that we have the differential out of the car and stripped down, I am just quickly going to run you through some of the questions that we get asked on a lot of our YouTube videos about the C63 Wavetracs, and I'm also going to explain the differences between the likes of a Wavetrac, a Quaife, and an open differential as well. So we get quite a lot of people asking, are there any options from Wavetrac for the W205 C63? So on these cars, the standard C63 AMG came with a mechanical LSD, and the C63S AMG came with an electronic LSD. So what we actually have found is that the differentials are interchangeable between the W204 and the W205 C63s, so we can still supply and fit a Wavetrac differential for the slightly newer cars. We also get quite a lot of you asking if a Wavetrac will be any good for drifting. Now, with a lot of the ATB style differentials, they're not overly suited to drifting. They will give you some more control over the standard open differentials, but for drifting, you will definitely be more interested in having a plate LSD or even just welding an open differential. You also want to know if the ESP gets affected at all with the Wavetrac, and we are glad to say that it doesn't. You don't need any coding when you fit a Wavetrac in the W204 C63s, because the Wavetrac is essentially an invisible upgrade that just causes the traction control to intervene less because there are less moments of traction loss. And so now that I've answered some of those popular questions, I will now get out the open differential, the ATB Quaife style differential, and also the Wavetrac as well, and show you some of the differences between the three types. So here on the bench we have three different differentials. We have a Wavetrac, we have the factory open differential, and we have a Quaife as well. So if we start off by focusing on the open differential here, these are relatively simple. They have a 1-to-1 torque bias ratio, which means that they always try to split torque equally left to right. The issue with these is when one wheel loses grip, the diff will only send as much torque as the slipping wheel can handle. That means that if your left wheel has the capacity to put down 100 Newton meters of torque, but your right wheel only has the capacity to put down 50 Newton meters, you will only get a total amount of torque output of 50 Newton meters. This leads to things like one wheel peel and your inside wheel spinning when you're exiting corners, and it also gives you worse traction in wet conditions. Now moving on to the Quaife, this is a traditional automatic torque biasing style of differential. So instead of allowing torque to escape through the slipping wheel like in the open differential, it will bias more torque towards the wheel with grip using the internal gears and pinions. So in this scenario, if your inside wheel starts to slip, the Quaife will redirect more torque to the outside wheel and help pull the car out of the corner better. So this does give you overall better traction and less wheel spin, but the main issue with most traditional style ATB differentials is that they still need some load on both wheels to work. So say you've hit a curb or you are really heavy cornering and one wheel becomes unloaded, it will start to behave like an open differential. So now moving over to the Wavetrac, just like the Quaife, this is an automatic torque biasing differential. However, it has the patented wave hub in the middle. So the Wave Hub is a really special piece because even when one wheel has no load on it whatsoever, you have these cams here which will help to create more internal resistance and keep both wheels spinning even under zero load conditions, like when you've had a curb strike or your unloaded wheel is on ice or super light on load. Okay, so now that we have run through the questions and the types of differentials that you'll find in these, we can now get the Wavetrac built into the C63 axle, get it all back in the car and let the customer enjoy it. So the Wavetrac has been installed into the gorgeous C63 AMG. Now the car is fully ready for exactly what it deserves. It can do big stinky burnouts, it can do heaps of track days, and he will never have an issue with traction ever again. All of the products you see in this video are available to purchase on shop.regalautosport.com, and if you hit us up at regalautosport.com, we can get them fully installed for you here in our workshop in Southampton. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.